Hey guys, this is Joe Tech from JoeteckTips on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and today I have an incredible product for you. It's a translator. It'll translate any language from whatever to whatever. 40 languages. It's unbelievable. 40 freaking languages. I have some demo video that I want to share with you that is incredible. I was watching a Spanish television show, no idea what it was saying. I had the app and the Timekettle. This is a Timekettle. These are special earbuds, and it does it in real time. Real time. So it does multi-modes, which is the coolest freaking thing ever. This is going to get the JoeteckTips Instant Awesome rating hands down, but the only difference here is that this will get the Platinum rating. I have not given this rating to any other device in a long time. This will probably be the third or fourth item that will get the JoeteckTips Instant Awesome Platinum rating. This is an incredible product. It does real-time translation. And the coolest part is that each earbud is a separate device. Okay, so meaning, if, say for argument's sake, you're talking to somebody who only knows Italian and you only know English, you give them one earbud, you get the other, and then you communicate back and forth in real time. And the other cool thing is that the phone turns into a translator as well. So the earbuds hear it, and also you hear it in your native language, whatever you choose in the app, and it also does text messaging. So whatever you're saying in, say I'm talking in English, it'll convert it, say Spanish, or say for argument's sake it's Spanish. It'll convert, my side will be in English, his side will be in Spanish, or her side will be in Spanish. If they don't understand the words, they can read it on the phone. I will show you a demonstration of this, not with people, but this also does listening mode. So if you were listening to something and you wanted to hear what they were saying, say for argument's sake you went to a Chinese food restaurant and you wanted to hear what they were saying about you, you can simply turn this on listening mode and you can hear everything. You have to figure out if it's Mandarin, Chinese, Korean, whatever language Asian is. Excuse me if I'm not understanding it 100%, but yes, that is how it works. It's absolutely incredible product. These earbuds are really cool. The only downside that I see to this thing is that it does not make phone calls. You cannot receive phone calls on this whatsoever. The phone rang, it doesn't do anything. This is specifically for this product only. I can't listen to YouTube with it. I can't do anything. This is specifically for doing this because this product pairs with the app itself, and that is it. There's no other systems that it'll work with. You can't turn these on and then listen to YouTube and then suddenly you want to do translating. It doesn't work like that. So these are dedicated for translating only. So you'll need two sets of earbuds if you want to listen to music or YouTube, whatever you want to do. And then if you want to start using translating technology, then you use the Timekettle product. This has a Type-C port on the back. There's an indicator for charging on the front. The earbuds are light. They look really pretty. Nothing fancy about them. But when you're doing listening mode, you have both ends at the same time, and then you're able to listen in on the language. It doesn't auto-detect, so you would have to figure out what the language is and then switch it up. But 40 languages, people, that's a lot. And I've already done it. I've actually listened to a television program, and I was quite impressed. It did it on the fly. So without further ado, let's check out that stuff.
En este episodio, 3 terribles casos de personas que fueron atacadas por depredadores de la sabana africana.
In this episode, 3 terrible cases of people who were attacked by predators from the African savannah that always to become a human company.
El biólogo biólogo conservacionista Gary Camacho tuvo la suerte de sobrevivir al ataque de un león en una reserva.
In this, Gary Camacho was lucky enough to survive an attack by a lion in a reserve. To this I thought it was the end that had come to an end.
La sabana africana alberga a uno de los depredadores más temidos de la Tierra, el león.
The African savanna is home to one of the most feared predators on Earth, the lion.
So guys, what do you think of the product? I think this is amazing. I'll have a link in the description below to purchase this. This happens to be a very expensive product. Very expensive. If you need to have a full-time, real-time translator, this is a product for you. The other things I don't particularly care for that it's needed, it needs to have access to your storage. It needs access to make and manage telephone calls, which it doesn't do. It needs to have your location services, which I don't understand why it needs that. But other than any of that, this product works really well. I'm very impressed with it. But if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Take care, and we'll see you next time.